couldn't clean them without taking a storm window off and a screen off, and that wasn't an easy job. And then we had to put it back on, and they were never clean because I couldn't get all 3 or 4, whatever it was, screens off. They were awful. It was wood, wasn't it?
Yeah, needed to be painted all the time.
Yeah, it had peeled off and needed some painting, and John doesn't get up on a ladder anymore, and we wanted it to be something nice that would be easy to take care of. So when we got the windows done, well, they looked around and they did that too. Oh, they were fun, and we enjoyed them. They were anything we wanted to know, they immediately answered, and they were never in the way or moved anything they shouldn't, and then when they did, they put it back when they left. They left everything just perfect. And it's quiet in here, quite worth it. And we've had people come and look at it. Well, I just tell them that I liked it real well, felt like it was quality. Well, I'm more comfortable in it.
Her temperament's a lot better.
Yeah, it's, I sat here and that window was always dirty and I couldn't see out of it, or anybody couldn't see in it, and I can enjoy outdoors now.